Good day, everyone. Today, I'm proud to present the business proposal for Cup of Joy, Brewing Happiness Daily, developed by our team, Jomar Abello, Jericho Kimwell de Chon, Darlene Joy Oliva, Mark Jan Salmorin, and Gabriel Lee. We are excited to introduce the fresh concept tailored for today's academic and professional landscape. In Bacolod City, students are young and young professionals constantly face a common dilemma. They struggle to find a single location where they can study or work productively while enjoying the high quality, budget friendly food and beverage. Traditional cafes are often too loud and crowded. Libraries suffers for high restrictive hours, and meanwhile, modern co-working spaces are simply financially out of reach for average students. Our answer to this market gap is Cup of Joy. Cup of Joy is a unique student-friendly hybrid cafe and study lounge designed to blend comfort, productivity, and affordability. For high competitive price of 50 pesos to 100 pesos, customers get great coffee alongside a dedicated study environment. We feature open study lounge with Wi-Fi and charging docks, private rooms for rent, group meeting space, and specialized membership incentives. Our mission is to deliver welcoming high productivity environment and pairs quality coffee with comfortable co-working space. Our vision is to establish Cup of Joy as premium study lounge and brand in Bacolod City with a roadmap towards expanding nationwide through franchising. To do this, we are targeting high traffic areas near schools and university, leaning heavily into digital marketing and building customers loyal through tailored membership package. To launch our first flagship branch, we are seeking an initial investment of 1 million pesos. This funding will strategically distributed across critical startup needs, including store constructions and interior design cost 300,000 pesos, equipment and furnitures 150,000 pesos, staff and salaries and training 150,000 pesos, marketing inventory, tech system, and solid working capital reserve for 200,000 pesos to ensure a long-term stability. Financially, we estimate a strong, healthy performance, projecting a total monthly revenue of 45,000 pesos against monthly operating expenses of 28,000 pesos. This leaves us with an estimated monthly profit of 70,000 pesos. Based on these metric, we project our break-even timelines to be roughly 24 to 30 months with full return investment realizing within 4 to 5 years. In conclusion, our target demographic is laser focused university students, review centers attendees, freelancer, and young professionals. We are accepting capturing 3 to 5% of local cafe market share in our first year, scaling up aggressively to over 15% by 5 years. While marketing competition and seasonal students' demands are natural risk, our unique study launch concept and strategic inclusion of freelance will be mitigate these challenges.
Marketing mix 4 P's. Number 1. Product. Coffee and beverage, snack and pastries, study lounge access, and private room rentals. Number 2. Price. Affordable pricing, 50 pesos to 100 pesos coffee. Hourly room rental fees and membership discounts. Number 3. Place. Strategically located near university and high traffic student areas in Bacolod City. Number 4. Promotion. Social media marketing, student ambassadors, loyalty cards, opening promotion, and collaborations with school. Expected risk and mitigation plans. Under the risk, strong competition, low customer turnout, rising supply costs, seasonal student demand, and economic downturn. Under mitigation is differentiate through study long concept, aggressive marketing and partnership, supplier contract and bulk purchasing, target freelancer and professional, and flexible pricing and membership. Success matrix, key performance indicators, daily customer count, monthly sale growth, launch occupancy rate, customer satisfaction rating, repeat customer rate, membership sign up, social media engagement, and time to ROI.
Thank you for your time, and we look forward to brewing happiness and success together.